So today we're going to talk about uh, real numbers, and of course, for Sec 1 to Sec 4, you don't have to worry about unreal numbers. All right. So let's focus on real numbers. And under real numbers, you have rational and irrational numbers. All right. So let's talk about what are irrational numbers. Example, square root 2. Example, pi. Example, exponent. Okay, which you can see, you can find on your calculator if you look closely enough. So, what are the characteristics of all these irrational numbers? Okay, if you look, if you press all these into your calculator, you will find that they are indefinite numbers. Right, which means like for example, pi, you're going to get 3.141. There's no pattern. There's no pattern, and it's non-stop. All right. So indefinite numbers called irrational numbers. And let's look at what are rational numbers. Under rational numbers, you have three categories. You have the integer, and you also have the fraction, and you have the decimal number. All right. And if you want some examples of decimal number, they are definite. Definite means there is a pattern, and they stop at one point. For example, you have the 0.2, or you have 0.3 with a dot above, which means this is equal to 0.33333. Okay, even though 0.33333 is non-stop, but there is a pattern to it. That's why it's grouped under decimal number and rational number. Right? For fraction, I think it's pretty easy. You have the 1/3, or you have the 1/5. So basically fraction. Right? For integer, you have three types of integer. You have the positive integer, you have the zero, you have the negative integer. Example for positive and the integer, you have +2, you have +3. For negative integers, you have -2, -5. All right. So uh, with this slide here, it gives you a very good summary how you categorize any given number in the exam. All right. So you have to memorize this slide in order to, rather the structure of this slide. How I group rational numbers and irrational numbers separately, and that's how you can categorize any given number next time. All right. So hope this helps you. And when it comes to positive integer or negative integer, right? Okay. What you can think of is a number line. So with a number line, you have the zero here. On the right hand side of the zero, you have the positive integers. All right. You have the 1, and then 2, 3, and 4, and so on and so forth. All right. And then to the left hand side of your zero, you have the negative integers. So next to zero is -1, -2, -3, -4. So hopefully this clarifies your confusion when it comes to integer, both the positive integers or the negative integers. So thank you. That's it for today here. Bye.